Another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1, stocks on Wall Street are set for a mostly higher open, with risk assets drawing support from better than expected Chinese manufacturing data overnight. Futures for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were both pointing to a positive Tuesday start for the two indices, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq set to open at another all-time high. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, however, were little changed following a drop of more than 200 points on Monday. Overall, though, the S&P gained 7% last month to notch its best August performance since 1986, while the Dow posted a gain of around 8%, its biggest August increase since 1984. So overall, it was a party on Wall Street last month. We'll see if that continues into September. Historically, what is a weak month for stocks. On to number 2, helping boost sentiment in the tech space. Shares of Zoom Video are up more than 25% in early trade after the company reported blowout second quarter earnings numbers. Revenue grew 355% from the same period a month earlier. It also raised its full year guidance by a significant amount. Excluding the pre-market moves, Zoom shares are up almost 340% so far this year, making it perhaps the biggest winner of the coronavirus pandemic, as users are obviously drawn to its software and video conferencing services as a result of stay-at-home measures. On to number 3, in the currency market. The dollar is under pressure, falling to its lowest level in more than 2 years against its major rivals. The euro is up against it, the pound is up. The dollar has been on the decline ever since the Fed Chair Jay Powell last week pretty much indicated that the U.S. Central Bank will keep interest rates lower for an extended period of time. The dollar ended August lower for the 4th straight month, its longest losing streak since 2017. On to number 4, over in commodities markets, dollar weakness is translating into gold and silver strength. Gold prices are up almost 1% to trade at around the $2,000 level, its highest in around 2 weeks. Silver also powered ahead, rallying 2% to top the $29 per ounce mark, its best level since August 11th. And finally, number 5, on the data front, we get the latest ISM PMI manufacturing report at 10 a.m. Eastern time this morning. The survey is expected to show further improvement from a month earlier, with the PMI expected to rise to 54.5 in August. If confirmed, that would be the best number since April 2019. As always, head over to Investing.com's economic calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. That's it for me for today. May the trading gods be with you. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.